If you follow my channel for my crafty content, then this is a little bit of a different video for you. A lot of you do watch my videos for FabFitFun, but for those of you who don't know, this is a lifestyle seasonal subscription box. It comes 4 times a year. I'm in Canada. This box is based out of the US, and it's been a subscription I've had for about 7 years. If you're interested in knowing the price, I'll quickly review. It's basically $219 US for the year, shipping in Canada, and that is $72 US for the year for all of the shipping. You can add products on, which is lovely, that you don't have to pay any extra cost for those add-ons, and there's never any duties or anything that comes. So once you've paid your subscription, if you don't do any add-ons or any extra customization choices, all in, you're looking at just over $100 a box, probably about $117 Canadian per box. I've been a subscriber for a long time, enjoyed it, and I will show you an unboxing. But I'm also going to do a review at the end of the video with a try-on of the dress as well. So spoiler alert, I got a dress in the box. But if you want to stay all the way till the end to see what I've thought of these products, because I've actually already had them for a week and I've been starting to use them already. So here we go. I can't believe my FabFitFun box is here. I had a lovely Mother's Day. I just came home from a day full of activities, and on my doorstep was my FabFitFun box. These were good little deals. I was so happy to get these. I actually have the mug, the Sprinkles mug, and I have a brand new one. So I ordered one of these silicone cups for me, and there's a set of 12. They're beautiful colors. I might even use some of them to store things in my craft room, but if not, I thought that they were a perfect thing to get for $2.99. These were a steal of a deal, and especially since I have the mug still in its box. I got 2 mugs. One I use all the time, and now I have a set of those. First out of the box, customization 1. I chose the dress. I don't know why I chose the dress. I never wear dresses. I just love textiles and I can't resist choosing them. I went on a limb and chose the extra small. I'm not extra small, but the way that the dress looked so huge on some people, I thought I'd rather it be too small than be too big. And I can already tell I'm glad that I chose this size. It is meant to be roomy. This is the back, and this certainly is going to fit. Like, there was never any question that this part would be wide enough, and I'm glad I didn't get any bigger. I haven't tried it on yet, but it won't matter. Like, that is perfect. I'm glad that I got this size. In customization number 2, this is funny. I chose extra small in the dress. I almost got extra large in this airy bra, but my sister-in-law tried it on and she said that the large or medium would fit for her. So I thought I better not get the extra large. I'm glad I didn't. This looks like it will be a good size. It will probably be a bit big if anything, but I'd rather it be roomy than be too tight. So a lot of people have really raved about how comfortable this is. So I'm excited to give that a try. I probably could have got the medium in that, but I chose the large on the safe side. I'm glad I didn't choose the extra large. So that was customization 2. Customization 3, these are spare change earrings. Let's see what they look like. I know a lot of people said because they're supposed to be a natural pearl, they actually definitely have a great variation on the type of look that they have. And mine definitely has like an imperfection, but I think that's sort of what makes them kind of unique and interesting. And I certainly could switch them around so that the flatter side is what shows, but that's what they look like there. They are pretty. So that was customization number 3. Thrive Cosmetics might have been number 4. So I got the eyeliner. I've enjoyed Thrive Cosmetics products in the past, and I've enjoyed the eyeliners that I've received from FabFitFun in the past. So I did choose this one in the category, and I'm going to give that a try on my waterline. So that'll be nice. It's got a pencil sharpener and a smudger in here. I'm currently wearing the Kat Von D eyeliner that came in a previous box, and it's something that I have repurchased. Customization number 5. I chose the green tea serum in with a roller ball from Innisfree, and this is something that I don't usually use. I don't usually use eye serums, but it was something that got sold out in the category. And I think you just give it a little squeeze. I chose that just because it was really popular and it was selling out. And I thought I liked the idea of that roller ball. It's number 5. Number 6, I chose the Earth Harbor face cream. I loved the Earth Harbor neck cream that we got one time in the box. And so I thought this is probably a lovely consistency as well. That's interesting. So we'll give that a try. And customization number 6. I do have a face cream on the go right now from our last box. So I don't know if I need another face cream right away. But I've been enjoying having a moisturizer from the box. So I thought we would give that a try. I also got a couple of add-ons. So I got the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser in Strawberry. It's got a seal on it, so I'll just leave the seal. And I got a clip, just because pink is my favorite color. And I really have enjoyed the clips that I've got from the box in the past. They've been quite useful little items. It's a very interesting shape on this one. So let's try putting our hair up. I have a lot of hair. It's very thick. And it's going to hold quite nicely. Let's see if it'll hold all of my hair really well. Seems to be staying in there. Oh, I got another add-on in there. I got 2 more, things from the box. This is a really funny story, actually. So the first thing here isn't the funny story, but it's the Our Spare Change cuff. And this is what it looks like. And I do have teeny tiny little wrists. So I'll just open this up, close it on. I bet you I'll be able to close it all the way around. I can close it completely around my wrist so that it's touching. It's not necessary, but if I wanted to let it dangle a little bit, I can have it on like that. Not wearing any of my other bracelets today, which is unusual for me. I usually have bracelets on, but I like that. The funny story is this. So I remember not choosing the anklet in the box previously. And this is from Set in Stones. So I was disappointed that I didn't choose the anklet. And I thought that because I was disappointed, I went back and got it when it came on as an add-on or in another box, or I bought another box just to get it. but I couldn't find it in my jewelry box anywhere. So I thought I must be mistaken. Like I remember regretting not getting it. So I decided to get this anklet. But the funny thing was today, literally, was it this morning or yesterday, I just found the other anklet that I ordered. So now I do have an anklet, and I also have this extra. So it's really very pretty. So I'm glad that I have that. I know I have seen a lot of people say this is one of their favorite things in the box. So I'm glad that I did get that one. Okay, so in customization number 1, I showed you that I chose the dress in an extra small. Here is what it looked like on. Now, I'm glad with the size that I went with. It is designed, I guess, to wear without a bra. There's no way I'm wearing this ever without a bra. That's not anything that would be comfortable for me. Even at home, I definitely would want something underneath. I'm showing you here how I've paired it with one of the sports bras that I have that's in black, but you could also easily put a jacket over top of it, tie a little blouse or a shrug, a scarf, something that sort of hides that. But I mean, even this pairing, I think on its own doesn't look too bad. In customization 2, I chose the Airy bra. Definitely happy with the size that I chose. That large size was perfect. I am a 36H, so that's why I got the extra small dress, but the large bra, and it was definitely a good choice. I like the fabric. It's super comfortable. I'm not sure that I would use it specifically for fitness, but I'm wearing it actually today right underneath this sweater, and it fits perfectly comfortable. It does ride up on the center, like the part that is supposed to maybe stay down, but I find that it doesn't stay all the way down. It always sort of sneaks its way up. In customization 3, I chose the earrings. I went and actually ran and put them on for you so you can see them on me here. They go very nicely against the contrasting color of my hair. I actually found them to be a beautiful accent or accessory to a white blouse. That was really nice. I was really glad that I picked these. They are perfectly imperfect. They do have some little imperfections like I showed you in the close-ups, but when you see them far away, like even if you see them now, like you would never know them to have any imperfections. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that choice. They're kind of just a perfect little dangle. I've been getting more into earrings lately, and these ones I have paired with a previous FabFitFun earring that we got in the box. So I'm happy with those. So that was my customization 3. And then in customization 4, I'm actually wearing the Thrive eyeliner. And so I actually did my waterline with that. I have previously been eyelining with a Sephora green and then using a black eyeliner like to create like a cat eye over top, but this time I didn't do that. I actually avoided any other black and I just did the waterline, and this is what that looks like. Customization 5, I chose the anklet. I was really glad that I made that choice. It looks really cute paired with my jeans and a little white shoe that I have from Spain. The perfect use for it would be paired with a sandal and a dress, even that new dress that I just received that I've shown to you. So definitely it will be a great addition to wear this summer. Perfectly comfortable, fits me perfectly, happy with that. Another addition to my jewelry collection, I purposely showed you what this looks like in comparison to other jewelry that we have received from FabFitFun. So this is the gold cuff here. I have very dainty little wrists as it is, so they definitely, I'm never worried that any jewelry is going to fit me or not, but you can definitely notice a difference. And if you received any of these other pieces from the box, this one's not from FabFitFun, this one's from Goldie Box, but if you received any of these other ones, this is the one we got in the latest set of 5. This one here, you can see the difference in color. This one's definitely more yellowy than all the other golds, but this paperclip based bracelet, this sparkly bracelet here, these are all a nice stack together, even though you can clearly see this is a different color. When they kind of all fall together in a little stack, they're super cute, and I'm happy with that. In customization 6, I also chose a couple of add-ons. I got the Earth Harbor face moisturizer, which I haven't used yet. I have used the First Aid Beauty KP body scrub. I do have that sort of skin condition, and I definitely thought it would be worth giving a try. Even just in this 1 week's use, I can notice a difference. They're certainly not gone, those little red bumps, but they definitely have been minimized. So I'm looking forward to continuing on with that product and seeing if there's any long-term result. I did actually pick up another box. I've got a couple of seasonals coming. I went back for the kitchen items and I actually went back thinking I would love to have another one of those First Aid Beauty body scrubs as well. So that's a good endorsement for the box if it's made me choose it again. So thank you for watching. I'm not sure if you've got your box yet or if you have not ever subscribed to FabFitFun. I will leave a coupon code down below for anyone who hasn't subscribed. If you follow my crafty channel and you want to support me, this is one way that you can do it. Annual membership gives you 20% off with this code. It gives me $100 credit for me to shop with FabFitFun in the future. So feel free to use that code if you've liked anything you've seen in the box. Clearly, I've found it good value. I've had a lot of friends and family sign up over the years. I can't imagine why anyone doesn't get this subscription. But part of that is probably because I don't really do a lot of shopping outside of this box other than on crafty products. Like that's where most of my attention goes. So it's kind of nice to have these home or beauty or cosmetic or fashion items because they always feel like a little gift, and I feel like I have permission. I might see some beautiful dishes in the store, but wouldn't actually just go out and buy new dishes. But when I see them in the box and I know I have to choose something, it gives me kind of permission to make a choice of stuff. And one of the reasons why I went back for one of the home, or a number of the home items, was because recently we had a get together with friends, both myself and my daughter, and we used a lot of these FabFitFun products, and they really made like a gorgeous tablescape. And so I thought, let's continue on with this tradition and add some fun little products that make, my home more inviting and enjoyable. It's really fun to connect with people in the community and to share our ideas and experience with the different products that we've been given or chosen. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.